Hi, in this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to enable display over other apps settings. First of all, on your Android phone, open Settings app and now scroll down and search for Developer, or you can use the search settings icon to find Developer option. All you have to do is just open Developer options, and here make sure to enable Developer option, and now tap on the search icon and here search for and here you'll find the settings, allow screen overlays on setting. Just tap on this and here we can see the allow screen overlays on setting. Just enable this option and allow apps that can display over other apps to overlay settings screens, and you have successfully enabled display over other apps. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.